That's it. A little bit of that. And I think I know what I'm going to do here. We broke off one of the clips. And I think that's one of the reasons why it's doing that. Bouncing around in here. Well, I'll deal with that later. I think I'm just going to put a screw in there. Okay, so take the clean part of the rag like this. It looks like it's coming out of this crack right here. First we'll do something like this. Let's give that a shot. Let's see if that works. We'll turn the smoke machine back on and see if that helps at all. Well, we're waiting for the smoke to see what happened here. What is that? I don't know. cap. Well, that's going on. Let me show you what else I love these new vehicles with. All this plastic stuff. Not a fan, believe me. Here's the, oh, here we go. Here's the windshield squirters right here. And I use some of this tube. Anyways, I just slipped this on here. It's been working. There we go. Hopefully that. Did you see that? Yeah, right here. Well, it's been running for a little while. No smoke, so maybe I fixed it. I think what's happening is it's bouncing around on here. I have those. Well, I think I did it. Do a couple more wraps for just good measure since it did work. Let's see. You don't see any smoke, do you? It's been raining for a while. I smell it. But my idea is to put a little screw in the. There's like a little plastic. Let me show you what I'm working on. And it could be. I'm not saying it's a problem, but there's that little thing like that. I've got those. I just haven't had a hard time getting that out. And there's a hole there, and that's where that goes. So I'm just going to put a little screw in there. Hopefully that'll hold it down. But Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm working on. Let me get a battery for this. Hopefully that'll work. Excuse me there. There we go. See if this works. Yeah, that works good. Keeps that down like that. You see there's no smoke. It was just, it's cracked right there and probably just from vibrating. Like some of the coolant kind of went everywhere. Alright, I'm going to say we're fixed. Let me put the tape back. And okay, put the tape back. Only time will tell. We'll have to, but let's see how much smoke the thing is producing. Yeah, they don't, I mean, it'd be smoking quite a bit. There's about 1 psi in there right now. So, let me wipe off some more stuff in there. Up. Let's go back, just wipe some things down.